Alright guys, how you doing? So in this video I want to make a quick showcase, if you will. So what happened was, one of my coworkers actually recently bought this similar Barista Express, and he was actually asking me how I actually clean my portafilter. So he just got it. He wasn't sure how to actually, take it apart. All he was doing was basically just kind of, when after he finished brewing his espresso, he would just remove it, rinse it off, and that's about it. But then I told him that, that actually he can go ahead and take it further apart and remove all that coffee residue, sludge, and all the gunk inside this portafilter. So, and it turns out that he didn't know how to do it, so I figured I should probably make a video about this. So without any further ado, I just wanted to show this. Okay, so let me do this demonstration so that way you guys can see it too. So what I do is normally remove the bottom portion. This actually does come out. You just turn it counterclockwise to remove it, right? And there's this rubber gasket. Every now and then actually I do remove it with a toothpick, just kind of, because underneath here, underneath this gasket, rubber gasket, it actually does build up some some coffee residue and stuff in there. So every now and then I remove it and clean it underneath that as well. And before I put it back on, I normally add just a little bit of oil, food oil basically, not some industrial oil or whatnot, just cooking oil, just a little bit, because it's rubber, and oil just helps it to extend its life. But I'm not gonna remove it at the moment, it's already there, but you can remove it with like a small tiny toothpick, and just don't yank it, because then otherwise it may snap off. But then another thing, a lot of people don't know how to remove this piece right here. So for that, what I do is normally I take the other filter. This is good not just for cleaning, but also if you want to replace it, right? Obviously, some people I've seen prefer to use like a flat-headed screwdriver, which I wouldn't really recommend because you can easily scratch this off. So for that reason, I actually use this other filter, and this side right here, the edge, goes perfectly in line here, and then you just press it. Press it down, and then kind of lift up the other side, and then just easily removes this. And then you can actually wash inside this portion as well, and this one also helps you actually replace the filter too in here. And you just press it back on, and that's it. It snaps back in there. And then once you finish cleaning, you just align it again. And what I normally do is, once I place it here, I still turn it counterclockwise until I hear that click. There you go. And then you just rotate it, so you don't force it, right? Because those are fine threads and you don't want to mess up the threads. And boom. And that's all there is to it. That's how I do replacement a portafilter, replacing the filter, also as cleaning the whole portafilter itself. But yeah, this is it. So if I hope you guys find this video to be helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you guys in future videos.